Hi, second grade. Today we're going to continue noticing the relationships between characters in our books. And I have a couple of slides to show you with pictures. Let's look at the first one. The first one are pictures of my oldest Michaela, my youngest Maya. And I want you to look at their facial expressions, their body language. Where are they? To think about what you can infer about their relationship. So if you look at this picture, they're in a pool. Right below it, they are playing with a ball. This one is a pose picture where I told them to smile. The next one is at Universal when we were meeting Dora the Explorer. So here's Michaela and Maya. There's Jordan, but look at Michaela and Maya. Then we are on they are on a slide. And here they are again dancing in the street at Universal Studios. So, thinking about what you see, their facial expressions, what they're doing, what can you infer about their relationship? The next one, this is a lot of pictures of me and my girls, and I want you to think about our relationship. So, this first picture, Michaela and I are at a show. The next picture, Michaela and I are at an outdoor movie. The next one is a selfie with Maya and Michaela. This picture, we look like we are standing outside of a restaurant in New York City. That's Michaela and Jordan. And Mr. Broderson and I are here with Michaela at one of her meets. On the bottom here, the Harry Potter ride at Universal. In the next picture, I'm in Jordan's classroom reading a book to her class and doing a project with them. The next one, I believe, is Mother's Day. Here's Maya and I with one of our selfies. I seem to take all the pictures, so all my pictures that I have, a lot of my pictures, I should say, with my girls are selfies. And the last one, here we are outside of Frozen. So, what can you infer about the relationship that I have with my three girls?